just got done wiring the ADVTR3D third brake light replacement that also adds in, or has the capability to add in, a Wolfbox 900 series camera, which you see up there. You got to take the rear spoiler off to get to that. I will show you some other stuff in a little bit. To get that rear spoiler off, there's one clip that's in the middle of the spoiler up here. There are 6 bolts that you have to take out. One here, one here, one here, one here, 2 underneath this plastic cover which just pop off, and 2 more on the other side that just pops off. Once that comes off, you can lift the rear spoiler out, just pop the one center plastic, push pin piece that pops right out. You can take your rear spoiler off. At that point, take it off. You'll need to unplug the rear camera, the rear brake lights, which is this plug right here. What nobody tells you is which one of these wires is the hot wire and which is the ground. This white wire right here is the one that you want to tap into for power to power your third brake light off the ADVTR3D. This has a grommet on it. Because I don't like cutting into the wire that's built into the larger wire harness, I just cut this wire off the third brake light, the original third brake light, because that's all one piece. And if I want to put the new one on or replace the ADVTR3D one, I'm just going to replace that entire third brake light. And that includes this plug, this 2 wires with a plug in it. So it's transparent to me. Once I get this thing all put together, I will show you some more video. I'm sure this is going to be very difficult to see, but right up in there, you'll see there's a small grommet that I placed in there. That grommet is the one that replaces the one on the original light, which I showed you. That grommet on the original light cannot come off. It's attached to those wires. On the 3D, the ADVTR3D, there's 2 lights, so there's 2 sets of wires that are coming in, so you'll need to combine the wires appropriately so that both of them are tied together, so the ground wires go together, the power wires go together for the brake lights, if you want to run chase lights, put those together, and for the reverse lights. So I ran those through. This one powers the brake light. This other red wire that you see running over here, I tapped into the reverse lights over here. I'm not a fan of these wire taps, but it's either that or cut the stock wire, and I didn't want to do that. Less damage this way. And then on this side, this other red wire here is what triggers the reverse lines on the camera. And then this black wire that's right here is the ground wire. There's a nice ground plug that's right there that will ground that ADVTR3D lights. And that all works pretty well. The only thing I have not run up is the chase lights, and I live in Florida. Don't see a big need for them, so probably won't wire those up. But if I do, the wiring's still tucked up inside.